Artist V.V.SWAMY was born in a tiny village in South India in 1944. Shri Swamy had his fine arts training from his father, an eminent artist. Shri Swamy has over 2,500 paintings in water, oil and acrylic colors in traditional and modern styles on paper and canvas to his credit. He has held 21 solo exhibitions on the themes of village, rocks, nature, and environment, electrical power, Nehru and his vision, Hyderabad 400 years, bullfight, 50 years of Indian independence and Ganesha, besides general themes in various parts of the country, and also participated in a number of group shows. His works are in collections of various dignitaries in New Delhi, USA, USSR, West Germany, UK, and those of many other Indian and foreign personalities. Swamy developed a unique craft of eggshell engraving. He has also received a number of awards in the field of fine arts and was honored by the Andhra Association and Andhra Educational Society, New Delhi in 1982. He was also honored by SMT. G.T. Tumen Bava, External Affairs Minister of Kirgia, USSR, and many more.